Guys, this is Saad, and in this tutorial I will tell you about what is work manager and how to use this. Basically, work manager is used to schedule some tasks after some interval of time. Either it will be a periodical or just for once only. So basically, if you want, for example, if you want to upload some data to the server, or you have to do some process, you have to show some notification after some interval of time. It's either it is a periodically or only a once. So we will use work manager. So let's get started. First we will go to our build Gradle, and then we will add a library. I will add this to my description, you can copy from there. After adding it, we will create a new class with name MyWorkManager. After adding this, we will extend it to worker. We will implement functions here. One more constructor. Okay. After adding this, basically our work manager will call this function by default. So we will do our working here. I'm just adding log d do work working started. Just logging it. Let's try it. Put it in try catch, it's a best practice. So if it's working proper, then result dot success return, else return result dot failure. Just copy it. Okay, now go to our main activity, work manager. Work manager is used to work manager or get instance, pass current context. As I am using periodical work request, for example, I want some work to be done after 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, so I'm using this. Dot our class time, for example 15 minutes. Okay, one more thing, that work manager with work will work only with minimum of 15 minutes. If you set the time less than of 15 minutes, it will not work. It will not work with that time. It will work it only after the 15 minutes. So the less minimum time should be 15. Now time unit is minutes. Okay, dot build. Now work manager dot enqueue request. That's it. So guys, this is the short code for our work manager. Now let's build our application. I think there is some error occurred. Let's see it. Okay, I have to use activity dot this. Okay, let's check it again. Clear locket. Okay, now my application is built successfully. Okay, so you have seen that do work inside do work my manager class. inside doer function it called this. That means that the my work has been started successfully, and also return result.success. In the result.success, it is showing this. So guys, this is all for today. As I hope you understand this work manager, even if you close the application, it will it will call this function and do the job after every 15 minutes. So this process will work on if your app is in background or is in foreground. So thank you guys, please do like and subscribe my channel.